All finally packed. Thanks, Storm.
Pleasure, guys.
We will see you at Kloof.
Yeah.
We have a spot for the night. What's that pitter patter I'm hearing?
Yeah, I know, it's just a little bit...
Fire still going.
Fire still going. Then it got a bit windy.
That's no lie.
Day 2. Our first fish eagle sitting up there on the top of the cliff. These rocks balancing.
Hi, George.
Dam is that away. We're looking for camping here. You can hear the lion, you can smell the lion. Oh, we have found the lion. Lovely clear stream that becomes less clear. Oh, warning team are a bit far away. Oh, cheerio. Made. It's turned into a lovely spot. Yeah, no, I noticed about the cookies earlier. The previous spot was there on the far side of those hills. We decided to cut out some distance. Ricky, map check done. Back into the wind. Don't stop after we abandoned and camp. This is a much better place. And it'll actually work as a campsite. Yeah, I think it's that hill, that big hill there. Yeah, the big hill. There's a big inlet that goes off to the right there. So the big hill there in the middle. That one up there on the skyline. I think that's where we need to be headed to. Finally near the big hill. Now we'll see if there's still a campsite here. Looks promising. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Here comes Max. Oh yes. Spuds and squash are on. Fire is getting ready. Okay, so we've camped over here. Below Doornhoek. Now we're heading off that way. There's nests on this island. Yeah. Big stretch. Coffee stop. Here's that headland. Gosh, looks far away on here. That gap on the horizon is where we need to go to. It's up there. I don't think that's the island, Max, but yes, I had the same thought. Paddling past our island. So Max, what you do is you go from this headland to the next headland just around the corner. Dashing with the thunderstorms. Get to our campsite, which is ahead there somewhere. Left of those cliffs, right of this island. Once we get past this island, we'll be in the lee, we'll get out of this wave. That's mayhem. And here, out of the storm, it's a whole lot calmer. My shipwrecked colleagues. Thursday morning. Had some rain this morning. Relocated operations to 2 trees without thorns we can tie the gazebo to.
Hiding from the residual rain.
Doing a lot of hiding. I guess we can land here and have a coffee. Does look like the end of the road. The day is warmed up. You wouldn't believe we were sitting in the rain earlier. There's a fish. Rolfontein Nature Reserve. Heading to our designated lunch stop. Us out of the storm. Well, wind is coming from that way. Ooh, look at all this rain. Now it's coming down properly. Look at that, and we see storm. Good morning. Good to see you.
You too. Same and same.
Indeed.